Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous Krishna themed scrapbook or photo album. And can you see this? How beautifully I have created the feather which is favorite of Krishna, and from backside it looks like this. And quickly I will show the glimpse inside the scrapbook. It is having the magnetic closure and fully decorated with feathers paper. So let's get started. First I'm taking this white base which measures 31 by 18 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 0.5, 5.5, 7.5, 20.5, 22.5 and 30.5 centimeters. Similarly rotate it, and I have creased from left side on 1 centimeters and 17 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creased parts and burnishing it using bone folder. Now I am just cutting the bottom and top for each fold in the corner so that we can fold these flaps easily. I am just making border for whole edge to make it more sturdy and thick. Here I am making the base for our album. So I have cut all the parts in a triangle, and now I am going to stick these parts with the glue. So before that I am just folding it and burnishing using bone folder from both the sides, and then stick it very well using glue. Similarly stick on this side, and the base is completely ready. It's quite sturdy. I have just folded these creased parts, and after folding the cover should look like this. Now I am starting with the inner pages. So I am taking this white cardstock which measures 13 by 15.5 centimeters, and I have creased on 12 centimeters. Okay, so just folding the creasing line. For the base and pages I am using 250 GSM cardstock, and in the similar way I have prepared total 4 pages for our album. Now taking back the base, and I am going to stick these pages one by one on the hinges which we have created on left and right sides. This is super easy. Just attach one page and then align it with the edge creasing line, and then just stick it. Super easy. Similarly taking the another page and sticking on another crease line. So 2 pages are attached. Now on this side hinge I am going to attach next 2 pages. So I am just leaving 0.5 centimeter gap from this core line and then sticking my page, so that all the pages will have good enough space to attach photographs or write any messages. And I'm just going to fold this in zigzag manner. In the similar way, I am adding the last flap by leaving 0.5 centimeter gap from the score line. And this is done. Now I'm just folding it in zigzag manner and our beautiful album base is ready. Super easy to operate. Now to make the closure for our album, you can make a belly band, slider belly band, or you can just extend the flap here just like I'm doing. So I am planning to attach magnets, and for that I have to extend the flap so that we can connect the magnets. So here I am taking this cardstock piece which measures 10 by 16 centimeters, and I am going to stick this with the small panel here. Since we have only 12-inch long paper, so we cannot make that long flap for the left side. So in this way you can extend your cardstocks to attach two papers together. And now our base for the album is completely ready. It's very sturdy and nice. Now it's time to attach the magnets. So here I'm just aligning it properly, and exactly in the center I'm going to attach the magnets. So roughly I'm eyeballing the center and sticking two pieces of double side tacky tape, just burnishing it using bone folder before removing the liners. Now just remove the liner and connect two magnets on top of this. Now close the other flap and stick your magnets and just check whether your album is closing very nicely or not. And now I am just adding double sided tacky tape again here on this flap so that we can connect these two magnets on the top. Remove the liners, close your album and just put the magnets. If it is not aligned, just remove it right now, because after adding pattern paper you can't do anything. So align your album properly and then stick the magnets, and now it's perfect. It's perfectly getting closed and the base is ready. Then it's time to decorate this with some pattern papers. So here I am using this beautiful pattern paper pack by Dress My Craft for the cover of the album. Similarly, I am going to decorate the inner parts of the album using different patterns. I have just cut the pattern paper same size as our base. So here my decoration is completely done. I have used this beautiful feather paper pack by Pavik Papers. If you want these papers, I have just given her contact of Instagram in the description box. You can check there. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. Since this is a Krishna theme, so I have used blue color and feather combination only. Now this is the beautiful die cutout which is by Little Birdie, and I have used 300 GSM blue cardstock for this, and also got this Krishna cutout from internet, and I'm sticking this image exactly in the center of my die cutout. If you want the same image, I have given the image link in description box. You can download from there. Burnish it very well and the decorative piece is ready. I'm going to stick this on the left flap of the album. I'm adding this little in the bottom side because on this side I'm planning to add the quilled feather. So just add glue on half side of the design and stick with the base. And this is done. Now it's time to make the feather. So to start with feather, I am starting with first design, and for this I am taking one strip of dark yellow color and one strip of light green color and making one bended semicircle. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So just joining both the pieces together. And to cover this, I have already prepared one bended semicircle using one strip of dark green color. So I'm just adding this shape with the light green design and wrapping this whole thing using darkest green color strip. To create feather, I am using 3 mm strips only and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Just cut the excess strip and secure it with the glue. So the center part of the feather is ready. Now to start with next shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. So we need total 12 coils. Now for the next shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of medium green and making one tight coil again. And we need total 16 coils. Now for the next shape, I am taking half strip of medium green color and 1/4 strip of darkest green color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping the whole petal using darkest green color strip, cut the excess strip and secure it with the glue. So we need total 16 these type of petals. So all shapes are done. Now taking back my base, and here I have already prepared the base for the feather using dark green and light green color cardstock. I have joined 3 die cut out pieces with each other to make this long feather, and for this I have used this feather die by Little Birdie. This is beautiful die. If you don't have the die, you can also create these hairs of feather using quilling strips. If you want to learn that, I have given link in description box, you can check there. So now first I am attaching the base of feather on left side. I am tucking it inside the circle die cut out. And now it's time to attach our quilling designs to decorate the feather. and this is done. Here I have added blue color ball chain to decorate the inner part, and now randomly I'm adding some glue spots here and there and adding some stones to decorate it little more. And also on back side I am decorating with Om sticker. Like this. So the beautiful Krishna themed album is ready. In this way you can make your own customized albums or scrapbooks according to your requirements. And there is lots of space to add photographs. I have made this to add 11 photos, but you can add more pages to add extra photos. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.